Video provided by Paper Industry International Hall of Fame, www.paperhall.org, which supports educational programs at the Paper Discovery Center, Appleton, Wisconsin, www.paperdiscoverycenter.org.
Jasper Mardon was born in 1921 in Exeter, England. He attended Hell's School in Exeter until 1939, when his studies were interrupted by World War II. Mardon served in the British Army from 1939 to 1946, where he reached the rank of Major, commanding a battalion of Gurkhas for 4 years in Burma. This military experience had a profound impact on his life and his subsequent career. Following the war, Mardon received his master's degree from Cambridge University in 1952 and his PhD from Cambridge in 1971. He received his Doctors of Science from Cambridge in 1997, the highest degree the university confers in science and engineering, and rarely awarded to a person in industry. Mardon's technical contributions are numerous. He pioneered many advances in papermaking technology, which are still in use today. Examples include the tapered flow header for head boxes, uses of high-speed photography to analyze wet end disturbances, frequency pulsation diagnostics on paper machines, and the use of optical lasers to correct alignment problems on coders. Mardon also formed the industry's first process control systems engineering groups and published over 100 technical papers. Jasper Mardon formed Omni Continental in 1974, a process consulting company specializing in the pulp and paper industry. Omni Continental has provided consulting services to companies in 25 different countries. Here he was at work in the forests of Tasmania. During this time, Mardon developed and ran the first pulp and paper courses offered by TAPI and CPPA PapTech, such as the Wet End Operations course and the PapTech papermaking courses. Jasper Mardon was the primary author of the Paper Machine Crew Operating Manual, first published in 1963, and targeted toward paper machine operators. This 270-page text was written to raise the general standard of machine operation by explaining the details of paper machine components and the job responsibilities of each machine crew member. This effort helped to transform the art of papermaking into a methodical science. It was highly valued at all job levels within the paper mills. Above all, Mardon was a leader who recognized, nurtured, and promoted talent. 27 individuals who worked for him went on to receive at least 43 major awards. Jasper Mardon was also the founder of the International Association of Scientific Papermakers. 4 awards endowments have been established in his name by TAPI, PapTech, PETA, and APETA. Mardon is the recipient of numerous awards. The honor Fellow has been bestowed upon him by the Technical Association of the Pulp and Paper Industry, the Canadian Academy of Engineering, and the City and Guilds Institute of London. He is one of 2 known recipients of the highest pulp and paper technical awards in Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. Jasper also thoroughly enjoyed competitive sports. Tennis, golf, and squash were among his pursuits, and he had a take-no-prisoners approach toward his competitors. Jasper Mardon passed away in 1997 in Vancouver, British Columbia, in Canada. He is survived by Louise Mardon, 6 sons, David, Peter, Richard, Gunnar, Andrew, and Alexander, and he is also survived by Ulla Britt Molen and daughter Ulrika.